Dear Sridhar CCE offline students and online students, this video is for you. I would like to give complete clarity on test strategy discussions, which we promised to you. Here, there is a different schedule for Sridhar CCE classroom students, online course students, online paid exams students. There are three different categories. Now, first, I am presenting you for classroom students. Now, dear students, look at here. This is date wise we are providing 27th August, that is today. Today you have a test number 116. Test number 116. This for the same exam, explanation will be there from tomorrow onwards. That is 28th August. Explanation will be there for test number 116. And after that, 29th August, strategy discussion, which is going to be live discussion at 10 a.m. exactly in our website. I will show you where exactly you can get that live session. Just wait for some time. So how the process we are going to continue. Today we are conducting test. Tomorrow you have to listen the complete explanation of the same test, and day after tomorrow for the same test, if the same question paper comes in your final examination, how you are supposed to give your strategy, that discussion would be on live discussion, which would be there for 10 to 15 minutes at the max. And whatever the schedule that we are presenting you now, this schedule may change once after hall tickets are released. So as of now, this is tentative schedule given for you guys. This is classroom students right from 27th August to 12th of September. We have released schedule for this. Listen again. I'm repeating. Today you have 116 test. Tomorrow explanation will be there for the same test, 28th August, and 29th strategy discussion, live discussion will be there for 10 to 15 minutes. After live discussion, you cannot access the same file. If at all, if you want to listen the strategy discussion, you must come for online live, and that will be there for 10 to 15 minutes. At any cost, you cannot access after live session is done. So make yourself available during that time, and every day, which is going to be from 10 a.m. onwards. So make yourself free. Now this is for classroom students. And now when it comes to test series students, test series, we have three different packages: 15 exams, 30 exams, and then 60 exams packages. Now for all these three packages, students, those students who avail any of these packages, from test number 44 onwards, you can write test. So if the student selected 60 exams package, as usual, he can write exams. The person selected 30 exams package, so his or her 30 exams are over. And from 31 onwards, usually the test will be in log. But now we have given you access from test number 44 onwards. This is for IBPS RRB Scale 1 Prelims exam. IBPS RRB Scale 1 Prelims exam, from test number 44, any student who purchased online test series, irrespective of number of exams, from test number 44, they can write the exam. And 27th August, you can write 44th test. 28th explanation will be there for the same test, and 29th exactly at 10 o'clock live discussion for strategy, examination strategy. Like that it continues. Those who all students who purchased IBPS RRB Scale 1 test series, they can definitely write all these 16 exams. They can write all these 16 exams without paying any extra cost. Now, there might be a question from students who purchased 60 exams. There is no extra service that we were getting. We promise you that definitely you will get some advantage in future. Now for this examination, you are not getting any extra benefits, but we definitely make sure that you will get extra mains papers for IBPS RRB Scale 1 for those students who purchased 60 exams. This is our promise and we will definitely take care of you. And those students who purchased online classes, either it is batch 1 or batch 2 or batch 3, any student in any of these three batches can start writing exams from 27th August onwards, that is from today. Just go to your model test section in your dashboard. There you can identify test with the date. Today's date is 27th August. So whatever exam is there on 27th August, you can write that. From 31st of this month, we will even conduct IBPS, RRB, assistant scale 1 exams also. So from 31st onwards, you are going to get two tests on the same day. So all those students who are in batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 online course, they can write exams from mock test, which is going to be there in dashboard. And regarding online test series students, if a student purchases IBPS RRB Scale 1 package, he or she can avail only tests from IBPS RRB Scale 1. Likewise, even for those students who purchased IBPS RRB assistant prelims exam, they can write those 16 tests from prelims exam. Now look at this. In the entire episode, what is that we are giving you extra? Students, we are giving you IBPS RRB Scale 1 prelims exam, 16 tests extra we are giving. And IBPS RRB assistant prelims exam, we are giving you 19 tests. For every test, explanation, and after that, there is going to be strategy discussion. So this helps you in clearing your preliminary examination. What exactly we are expecting from you? We need result. We need result. We are giving you this extra service just to push you in your preliminary examination so that you will come out with flying colors. Now let me show you how can you access live strategy discussion. You know how, where exactly you can access explanation, you know that, but live, where exactly you can see that live? Any student to attend strategy discussion, they must come online live session by 10 a.m. every day, including Sundays. Including Sundays. Let me show you where exactly you can access the live. Dear students, I just logged in our website. In your dashboard, so far you know that online exams, video on demand, and your mock tests, chapter based tests, something like that. And in the same dashboard, look at here, there is a live icon. Just click on that live icon. When we are in live, you can directly access to us in live session in Sridhar CC website, and there is a chat box also. If you have any doubt, you can even interact with us. I hope you all will utilize this and hopes this video helps you to clear all the doubts regarding strategy discussion. And let's meet on live session on 29th at exactly 10 a.m. All the best. Thank you very much.